Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to connect CoinDCX to TradingView. Alright, so let's begin with the video. While there isn't a direct integration, there is an alternative method that allows for partial automation using alerts and third-party tools. To make this work, you'll need to use TradingView alerts along with a bot that supports CoinDCX through API integration, if available. One example of such a tool is Next Level Bot. Start by signing up for the bot platform and logging into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, navigate to the API credentials section from the left side, and then choose the option to add a new API. From the list of supported exchanges, select CoinDCX. Then, enter your CoinDCX API details to connect your account with the bot. After setting that up, go to TradingView and create alerts based on your trading strategy. These alerts can be sent using webhooks to the bot platform. Once the bot receives the alert, it can automatically execute trades on your CoinDCX account. Keep in mind that CoinDCX has limited support for third-party bots, and this is one of the available workarounds. And that's one way you can effectively link CoinDCX with TradingView. And that's it. So, that's basically how you can connect CoinDCX to TradingView. So, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.